young Jamaican car enthusiasts are dumb. When it comes to cars, this new generation only thinks about horsepower. And if a car isn't rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, it's slow. You can tell the only motorsport this generation knows is drag racing. Since the birth of cars, billions have been sold to the general public, and by no means are any of them slow. For a vehicle to move, hundreds of small and large pieces have to work together in a precise manner, and all of those hundreds of pieces of parts, which can be changed, is what determines the speed of a vehicle. So to all the kids that go into Instagram comment sections and talk about, oh, BMW faster than Mark X, all cars are slow, rear-wheel drive is faster, Bugatti is the fastest car. Bro, shut up, please. Yes, a car can be less powerful than another car from the factory, but if modified and tuned correctly, it will be faster. A car can be fast going in a straight line, but put it on a corner and it go fly off the road. A car can be less powerful than another, but with the right driver behind the wheel, it will have the advantage. My point is no car is slow, and young car guys are blind to that fact. If you can't drive, you aren't fast, not the car.